while playing in the Eltham Park, waiting for my friend to come to have a play with him, I found this brown bridge where trains go to Hurstbridge or from the street. It's in Eltham, in Diamond Street, Eltham. Wait, let me just go a bit closer to it. Man, can I go close to it? Can I go close to it? Okay. Okay. Be careful. You see, this bridge was like I think made in 1965, I think, and like you know, it looks like a scar rail to the level crossing in Murrumbina Road, Murrumbina, ever since that level crossing has been gone, and also it leads to Eltham Station all the way down there. Also guys, that's it for the video today guys. See you next video.